What is Pulse Zen? Well, Pulse Zen is a networked economy. It's decentralized, meaning that you are in control. It's self-custody. Nobody else is holding your tokens, only you. And in fact, the tokens only ever live on the blockchain. When you use a wallet such as MetaMask, combined with a hardware wallet like Ledger or Trezor, wallet is a misnomer. Tokens do not reside on any of those entities. Your tokens only ever reside on the blockchain. And MetaMask as a wallet is merely a user interface for you to be able to interact with your tokens that are on the blockchain. This is a very important concept to grasp. It's also a very important concept to grasp that self-custody means that you control the keys to your own safe, your private keys that are generated when you create your wallets. But of course, you should be generating your private keys via your ledger, so it never gets onto the internet. That is the whole point. So I implore you again, you need to understand that digital currencies are here to stay, and everyone is going to have to use digital currency going forward. So you might as well educate yourself now and learn that it can actually take you out of the rotten system economically that you're in right now, where the wealth get wealthier and the poor get poorer.